Time moves fast, but do you know exactly how much of it you have lived? Most people only know their age in years, but what about months, days, and even seconds? Introducing AgeMate, the smartest and most accurate way to track your time and manage your life's special moments. Our core feature, the Age Calculator, is incredibly precise. Simply enter your date of birth, and AgeMate instantly reveals your exact age. You can see your life journey broken down into years, months, weeks, days, and even total seconds. It's a fascinating way to look at your life progress every single day. Never miss a celebration again. With our built-in birthday tracker, you can save the birth dates of your family, friends, and colleagues. The app provides a real-time countdown to their next big day. It's perfect for planning surprises and making sure you are the first one to wish them. Ever wondered about the exact age gap between you and your sibling, or your favorite celebrity? The Age Difference tool allows you to compare to different dates instantly. It shows you exactly how many years and days apart you are, making it a fun and useful tool for everyone. But AgeMate is more than just an age tool. Need to calculate your office working days? Use our Workday calculator to find the total number of days between two dates, excluding weekends. Plus, you can instantly check for leap years and other date-related information with our easy-to-use interface. AgeMate is designed to be simple, fast, and completely user-friendly. It's the ultimate utility app for your daily life. Download AgeMate today from the Play Store and start managing your time like a pro. Your time is valuable. Track it with AgeMate.